Third term and ninth term are 4 and minus 8. Third term means A3, which is 4. Ninth term means A9, which is minus 8. Which term is 0? Let nth term is 0. So we have to find out n. A3 formula is A plus 2D. A9 formula is A plus 8D. These are the two equations here. We have to solve these equations. Subtract these two. This is cancelled. 2 minus 8 is 6. 8 plus 4 is 12. So D equal to 12 upon minus 6, which is equal to minus 2. Put this value of D in first. A plus 2 into minus 2 equal to 4. So A equal to 4 and this minus 4 will be shifted on the right hand side, becomes plus 4. So A is 8. Now AN equal to 0. From this AN equal to 0, we have to find out N. So apply the formula. A plus n minus 1 into D equal to 0. A is 8 plus n minus 1, D is minus 2 and equals to 0. N minus 1 equals to, shift this 8 on this side, it becomes minus 8. This minus 2 I am writing here. This 8 is shifted on this side and this term is written here. N minus 1 equal to minus 8. Shift this in the denominator, minus 2. Cancel it, 4. So n equal to 4 plus 1. This 1 is shifted on this side. Becomes 5. Therefore, the fifth term of AP is 0. Here it is given which term of the AP will be 132 more than its 54th term. Which term means n term. Let AN is 132 more than 54th term means A54. Now when 54th term is increased by 132, it becomes equal to nth term. Apply the formula. A plus n minus 1 into D. 132. A54 will be A plus 53D. Put the value of A, which is 3. D. D is 15 minus 3. 15 minus 3 is 12. A is 3. D is 12. So 3 plus 12n minus 12, 132 plus 3 plus 636. So 12n equal to 6 and 3 9 or 2 11, 771. 3 minus 12. 3 minus 12 is minus 9. That minus 9 will be shifted on this side, so plus 9. 12n equal to 780. N equal to 780 upon 12. 12 6 is 72. Then 12 5 is 60. The 65th term is 132 more than 54th term. Two APs have the same common difference. These are the two APs, means there are two different APs. So the first term of the first AP is capital A and D is capital D. Now it is given difference between their 100th term. 100th term of the first AP minus 100th term of the second AP. Difference between 100th term is 100. Formula for this is A plus 99D. It is for the first epi we have taken capital A and capital D. Now the second epi will take small a and small d. A plus 99D. Open the bracket. Here it is written they have same common difference. Same common difference means we make these two d as same. So here we are writing small d. A plus 99D minus A minus 99D equal to 100. These two are cancelled. So A minus A is equals to 100. This is equation number 1. Now we have to find out difference between their thousandth term. A thousand minus A thousand. A thousand will be A plus 999D minus A plus 999D. So here it is A plus 999D minus A minus 999D. This is cancelled. So we are getting A minus A. And from the first equation, A minus A is equal to 100. So this is also 100. Therefore, difference between their thousandth term is also 100. Here we have to find out 3-digit number which is divisible by 7. Smallest 3-digit number is 100. It is not divisible by 7. Next is 101, which is also not divisible by 7. 102 is also not. 103 is also not. 104 is not. 105. When we divide this by 7, it is completely divisible. So the first term is 105. Since it is divisible by 7, so every time we will have a difference of 7. So D equal to 7. Now last, the largest 3-digit number is 999. When we divide this by 7, 7 1 ja 7, 2 29, 7 4 ja 28, 1 19, 2 ja 14. We are having 5 as a remainder. So remove this 5 from this 999. We'll remove this 5 from this one. The last digit will be 994 of this AP. Now since we have first digit D and the last term of the AP, we can easily calculate N. Formula for N is A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 994, A is 105, N minus 1, D is 7. Shift this 105 on this side. 994 minus 105 equal to N minus 1 into 7. Subtract these two. 889 equal to N minus 1. Shift the 7 here in the denominator. Divide by 7. 127 equal to N minus 1. Shift this 1. 127 plus 1 equal to N. So N is equal to 128. So there are 128 3-digit numbers divisible by 7.